Hey, this is Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Went by Bass Pro Shop or Cabela's or whatever they want to call themselves right now. Checking out the knives and found this one on sale. Got a double pack for $19.97 or $19.99 or whatever it was, just under 20 bucks. Pretty cool looking. Now I've already opened these up. I haven't sliced anything with them yet. I've already opened it up and these out of here. Now here's the package. Let's go this way with it. Folding knife combo 2-pack. It's got the American flag or US flag in the background on the print. Here's the information right here. The specs. The 7-inch knife. It's 3.7 ounces. Steel. 8 CR13 MOV. The hardness on both knives is HRC 58 to 60. That's pretty hard for a little cheap knife. The 6-inch knife is 2.5 ounces. Both of them have an edge from 15 to 18 degrees. HRC is, I believe it's called Hardness Rockwell. The C, I'm not sure, but correct me if I'm wrong, but for knives you want the Rockwell rating to be between 55 and 60. So this should be right in there. Here's the package right here. These are Tonto style blades. Tonto or Tanto, depending on who you listen to or who you talk to. Let's see, made in China right there, and there's a ISBN code right there. Okay, let's get that aside. Here are the two knives. Basically just like each other, but one's bigger than the other. I'm going to start with the smaller one. See the size of it in my hand. Not the most comfortable in size, but it is what it is. Tonto style blade. See that right there? Cabela's written on the side. Black blade, embossed, not embossed, but textured handle that looks like the American flag, US flag. Both sides. This one doesn't have the stars and stripes, but this side does. Got some texture right here, and gimping right here, or what I like to call grippers. Belt clip. There we go. This thing is excuse me, this thing is able to be taken apart for maintenance. Here's the liner lock. Now I'm going to show you on the bigger one how it actually works, but that's pretty tight right there. But let's see how this thing flips open. Gotta give it a little bit of help, and it gets stuck right there, closing it back. But it is easy to open up. Now personally I would much rather have an assisted knife, but what can you expect for the price? Pretty cool. See the size in the palm of my hand? I can easily hide it. So let's look at the bigger one. Basically the same, but it has about 1 inch of serrated edge right there. 1.25 inches or so. Let's see. Difference in size right here. The texture is the same on this one as it is on the little one. Let's fold this up. Ooh. Be very careful to get your fingers out of the way when you're closing it. So let's fold it kind of quick on me right there. Need to play with it for a little while, get that worked in a little bit better. Okay, Liner lock. You'll see on each side of the blade there's the liner, and each side of the liner is the scales or the handle, depending on how you want to say it. And the liner lock is right here. You move it to the left with your finger, usually your thumb. Move it to the left and you can fold it up. There we go. Move it to the left and fold it up. So let's see how the action of that liner lock. Trying to get a good angle. There we go. There we go. Didn't pop over a whole lot, but it did. There we go. Let's go right there. You can see how much it's locking the blade right there. I'd prefer to go over a little bit further to lock the blade, but it is what it is. Opens a little bit easier than the other one, but kind of a weird close. Put these things down right here. Do the paper test. Have a piece of notebook paper right here. We'll start with the small one. It is cutting. Not cutting the best, but it is cutting. Could be better. Let's go to the big one. Did I say I'm not really a fan of the Tanto style blades? That one's cutting a lot better than the small one. Let's try it in this serrated edge part. Yep, that's cutting also. Anyway, these two knives, 20 bucks. Can't really go wrong with that. Appreciate it. Leave some kind of comment if you have these. If you don't have them, if you like them, you hate them. My name is Carl. Do appreciate you spending your time with us.